What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to learn how to utilize Agent GPT to produce efficient prompt. And you might be wondering, like, what is Agent GPT? Well, is it the same like ChatGPT? Well, actually they're not the same. So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot where you can ask any questions and ChatGPT is going to answer your question, right, with the human-like answers. However, Agent GPT is totally different thing. So Agent GPT is actually like the latest autonomous AI technology. So you can treat Agent GPT as your AI assistant. You can assign a job or assign a task for Agent GPT to do, and then Agent GPT is going to complete the work for you without having your supervisions, without having you to dictate Agent GPT what to do. So it's going to be like independent assistant which is able to operate without your supervisions, like automatically or autonomously, right? So it's going to be pretty cool here. So to get started, just click on this link and it will take you here. So welcome to Agent GPT. So the URL is agentgpt.reworked.ai. All right. So as you guys can see, this is what Agent GPT looks like. And to get started, the only thing that you need to do is to sign up. Just click sign in. I'm going to assume you haven't created your account here, so I'm just gonna click sign in. As you guys can see, we have three different options that you can choose to sign in. You have Google, Gmail, you have GitHub, and also Discord. Alright, so just pick one of them. This time I'm going to sign up using my Discord account. So I'm just gonna click Discord. Alright, so it's still loading. Just wait. It will not take too long. Alright, cool. So now your Discord account will be connected to your Agent GPT. But if you don't have Discord, don't worry, you can also sign up using GitHub or Gmail, alright? So just click authorize to, give authorizations to Agent GPT. Alright, cool. So welcome. This is Agent GPT, not ChatGPT. And the first thing that you need to do is to name your autonomous AI agent. So let's see, we want to name it as prompt generator, right? Because that's going to be the main job. That's going to be the job desk for our AI assistant. So prompt, or maybe I'm going to start with this AI prompt generator. And you also need to assign the task, all right? What you want this AI assistant to do, right? What's going to be his job desk, his job descriptions. All right, so I want this AI assistant to help me generating high quality prompts. Generate me complex prompts for ChatGPT. All right, so I want this AI assistant to generate me complex prompts for ChatGPT, but I think we need to be more specific, right? Because there are many different type of prompts. We need to specify like what's going to be the end goal here, right? What's your objective? Actually, I want this AI assistant to generate me a complex prompt for ChatGPT. Related to dropshipping business, all right? So I'm going to modify this a little bit. Generate me complex ChatGPT prompts for dropshipping and e-commerce business. And you might be wondering, is this free? Well, it is free, alright? So don't worry, it is going to be free. And once you're ready, you can deploy your agent. But before that, you can also do the setting first. So you might want to turn this on if you want the AI to be able to generate your image. You can also turn this on if you want the AI to be able to search Google for information about current events. Also, turn this on if you want the AI to be able to write code for you, right? So make sure you turn all these on. Unless you want to exclude this, then turn that off, alright? So just close, make sure that you turn them on. And then to pause it, you can turn this on. But again, we shouldn't do it. And down here, we have deploy agent button. Alright, so just click on deploy agent. And now it is going to deploy our AI agent. So just wait. Sometimes it takes a while. It can be like a couple seconds or even minutes. It really depends on the complexity of your request, right? Identify the target audience and needs for the dropship or e-commerce business. Research trending products within. As you guys can see, this AI agent keep generating new output, right? Without having to be supervised, without having to be dictate like, hey, what to do. Instead, this AI agent can operate autonomously, right? Which is pretty cool, right? If you want to stop, just click stop agent and then it will stop. So yeah, to identify the target audience and needs. So as you guys can see, these are like pretty complex prompts that you can utilize. Alright, so completing generate. If you want to take your time to read, just pause mode, so it will pause your agent so you can scroll up and then start reading the output, right? But wait, it will continuously generating output, right? Unless you stay stop, unless you click on this button, stop agent, and then it will stop. Section 1, prompts. Welcome to our dropship. Look at this. Pretty cool, right? And sometimes it takes the AI agent like a couple seconds to think. It really depends on the complexity of your job, right? So yeah, that's how it works, guys. This is very new technology, so I haven't used this for a very long time. In fact, I have only used this for like a couple weeks. But I really like it though. I really enjoy this cool autonomous AI agent. So it's really helpful, super helpful. Yeah, so that's how it works. If you want to stop, just click stop agent. And it says no more subtitles for so you might be wondering if you have additional job for him. Look at this. It also generates you like the prompt for market research for your e-commerce or dropshipping business, which is great. Without having to be told, hey, I want this. Without having to be told, like, I want you to generate this prompt. You only need to specify like the job and then click deploy agent, and then it will generate you. It will continuously generate you many different prompts related to your given topic, right? Which is amazing. So yeah, to stop it, just click on stop agent, and then you can scroll up and start reading the output. That's how you do it, guys. Very powerful tool. You can utilize this autonomous AI agent not only for generating prompt, but also for other purposes, right? Maybe you want to do market research, you want to do product research, or arrange your marketing strategies. Whatever your objective is, you can utilize this Agent GPT. So yeah, that's how you utilize it, guys. I think that's it. That's all you need to know about Agent GPT. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn about potential ways to monetize our expertise in prompt engineering by selling ChatGPT prompts on online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. So we're going to discuss more about it in the next video. So I'll see you guys there.